Hi everyone, today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to find a keyword for YouTube videos. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, if you want to find keywords for your videos with high volume and low competition on YouTube, simply follow me. Okay, first as an example, let's say we want to find some keywords about SEO. How to find keyword. Okay, it's suggested for YouTube video. Okay, let's say this one, this keyword, and I want to find the volume and the competition for this keyword. Okay, now go to this website. Don't worry about it, I will put in the description below. Okay guys, here check this box to tell I'm not a robot. Paste your keyword here and click search. As you can see here, it's great keyword, search volume 18,000 per month and have a low competition. Also guys, you can scroll down to look the related keyword filter in the monthly volume, as you can see from top one to lower one. Okay, here guys, as you can see, we have SEO have a high volume, competition medium. Okay, keyword research also it's great keyword, have a high volume as you can see and low competition. Also guys, this one, Google keyword planner, we can use it in my videos. Okay, also YouTube keyword research. Simply guys, select your own or your specific keyword with high volume and low competition. When you finish, click copy as tags. Okay, then go to your video on YouTube, uploaded video, and paste in tags location. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.